Okay, everybody, take number 2. Welcome. It's time for another daily video, and just to let everyone know, I am in sunny Los Angeles, California. We are traveling here, and so I am on my laptop computer, so it's not going to be as fancy. I normally don't travel with my pen pad, although I am seriously considering changing that or buying a second one, so I'll have a pen with me at all times. I've just gotten so used to drawing with it that now that I have to use a mouse, it's very awkward. But here we're looking at actually a backup data. Just so you know what we're looking at here, the plus sign means that we're only looking at FXCM data, and FXCM is the data that comes with Ensign. It's the free data feed. They are a large broker, so I feel confident in using their prices. I think it's representative of a good deal of the trading. Having said all of that, as I was coming in and looking at the market here, you can see that the pound over the last hour has managed to push its way down. We are well into the Asian session, and you can see that they've poked this down on the bottom. Normally speaking, if I would, I'll say it this way: if I would have had looked at this earlier, this would have been a normal autopilot trade for me. I don't feel comfortable looking at a trade like this and then just automatically putting a short position on for a couple of reasons. Number one, I know that because I'm seeing this pushing down already, my mental processes, I will be looking for or trying to fit the market into a position where it's going down. In other words, what you've got to be careful of, and this ties into what we're going to be talking about at the live event, what you've got to be careful of is that you don't put your expectations on the market. In other words, the market's going to do what the market's going to do. And the worst thing that we can do as traders is to look at something like this, see that it's poked out the bottom, all of a sudden say, man, the market's going down, I've got to get short. So we've already made the decision, I've got to get short. We've already made the decision, the market's going down. So what our brain will do is immediately go out and find all of the evidence that points to the market going down. One way to avoid this would be to literally take out a piece of paper, and in sales, we called this the Ben Franklin close. But basically what you're doing is you're putting all of the items that are for and all of the items that are against. Okay? So you would list these out. And again, this is another element of what I'm going to be talking about at the live event. Different strategies to enable you to trade at these professional levels. And so what you'll do is you'll list them all out. So you might have 3, 4. So this would be short.